गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई। हम लोगों ने कभी साइकिल से पढ़ता नहीं, तो 10 लाख को पहुंचा My cherished faculty members, dear students, esteemed guests, gentlemen and gentle ladies. It is a moment of immense pride and privilege for me to stand democracy, inclusive India as envisioned by founding leaders and institutional leaders. Last night, you might have listened to our President, Madam. She has given the speech in a very different manner, where she very well mentioned about the women power of the country. She mentioned about the 50 auspicious women who were the sole creator of this Republic Day and this Republic power of the country. But never those names were talked in the past 75 Republic days. And she has very well mentioned those 15 women who had given very good inputs for creation of this particular republic. So it's a good day to reflect our journey. As we commemorate, I'm particularly using the English this time because the next generation students of CBRU must gear up to speak themselves in a global language. Okay, we are good in our local language, but global language in 26 January. And why 26 January was selected, not 15th August? The reason was that in 1930, it was the day, 26 January 1930, when India was declared total freedom, total free India, though it was not free India. So 1930 we declared our Sampurna Bharat, Free Bharat. It is given in history. So because that was the day when it was declared, though we got the freedom after 17 years, but this 26 January was there, so it was taken as a day for Indian Republic Day. We are touching new heights in terms of many things. As you know that Republic, renewable energy, space technology, Chandrayaan, agriculture, smart farming, robotics, digital India, wake up India, we have created records in the world. Whole world is talking. Last week when Trump took over the USA, he gave a very strange message that now we will not have H1 visas for Indians. Now we don't accept Indians. Now we will not give them freedom that if their child is born in the USA, it will not be US citizenship is not given. Within 72 hours, I repeat, within 72 hours, he changed his statement. He has given clearly that we cannot ignore India. We cannot survive without India. White House, Washington is having 39% employees who are Indians. We cannot ignore India. So he has withdrawn many things. So this is the power of India, where a world leader is bound to do the thing like that we are talking. So we are in a good era. This country is passing in a very good era where we are the leaders. We are the third most viable economy of the world. No one is there. We are touching third very soon. Fifth we are right now. Within 6 months we are third economy. We are the largest number of youth. We are the largest number of human population, 120 crores. We are the largest number of animals, 79 crores. We are the largest number of vegetations. We are having 37 crores. दुनिया में किसी देश के अंदर इतनी वेजिटेशन नहीं है, इतना आदमी नहीं है, इतने जानवर नहीं है, इतनी पावर हमारे पास है. That's why people are looking towards us. So friends, this is a day where we should change our mindset. We should not forget. But we are. कौन सी कंपनी है जहाँ पर इंडियंस नहीं है? याहू है, गूगल है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट है. आप कितने बड़े-बड़े नाम लेंगे, you will find the leader of those companies is Indian. So we are having our own flag across the globe. Not a Europe, not Asia. Nobody is able to talk about us. India is the country which is being considered as one of the most powerhouse of the knowledge and wisdom. We were having our knowledge and wisdom in Nalanda, Bihar. You know, at that time, how many books were there? 60 lakhs books were burned, and all books were written in the leaves of the trees. And those knowledge has gone. We are rediscovering it. Prime Minister, the dynamic Prime Minister is working on this to create Nalanda, a national university which can touch with the Oxford, which can touch with the alignment of the Oxford University, because Oxford was declared after 100 years of Nalanda. So we are having that kind of history and wisdom, where traditional roots are there. Our history, our arts are forgotten. You can see the current situation of Prayagraj. In night there was a program, it was showing that this particular Kumbh is coming after 144 years. And next Kumbh will be after 144 years. So they have given a projection. What will the Kumbh look like after 144 years? They asked this question from the ChatGPT and AI. Let me see what kind of Kumbh will be there after this Allahabad Kumbh. I may not be there, most of us will not be there. But our generation will be there. You people will be there. So this artificial intelligence has declared that what is the scenario of the Kumbh after 144 years. It is released by IIT Chennai last night. So they have shown the next Kumbh will be there. They have shown the picture and movie and videos. You can see on the Google. The air taxi is flying. People are flying in the air taxi. Timeless travel is there. You are sitting in your home, lying on your double bed, and you are taking Kumbh Snan. It is a kind of virtual world where you think of Kumbh, you are in Kumbh. You can take dip in the river, you are back to your bedroom within 30 minutes or 25 minutes. So this is the level of intelligence, artificial intelligence, metabolism that is going to create in the next 100 years. It is not a joke. I'm telling you, it looks joke like now. It will be. It will be. Who said when first time ATM came, people were laughing, it's not possible. Bank is bank, ATM. But now without ATM, digital, nobody goes to bank. So revolutions are going on. Next generation will be of like that. So please be prepared, my dear students. Be prepared yourself for that size of the shoe. Your size of the shoe is going to change. Current theory practice will not work. New education policy very much says that now within 5-10 years there is no subject, no discipline, no art, no science, no engineering, all are together. You have to make your own cocktail. Decide a problem, compile a solution, use all technologies, all sciences. So the barrier is closed now. Anybody can go anywhere. There's no. A person of arts can do PhD in civil engineering. Nobody can remove it. And a person of civil engineering can do MA in art and history. This is the very soon you will find in India also. Within 10 years I am telling you. You will remember it. So disciplines are now cutting across. So we have to prepare ourselves in a way that we can work together. I am fortunate in this university. C.V. Raman has such a big kind of disciplines we are having. Let us work together, help together, and work for the evolution of the university. We are fortunate to have the name of C.V. Raman. Whenever anywhere we go, C.V. Raman University, they call C.V. Raman. 50% काम का कैसे हो जाता है? C.V. Raman के नाम से हो जाता है. You will accept more. You are from C.V. Raman, so you must have that kind of quality. So please work hard, and this particular 26 January is having some historical background also. I have did some story also. Say R.K. Lakshman. It was the best cartoon of the world, I can say. What you read, what you write a book, he can write a book in one simple cartoon. And that will speak the total book. R.K. Lakshman, he was dead in 2015. His Malgudi days and all these things still are being copied by US and Japanese. They are making their syllabus on the basis of Malgudi days. So R.K. Lakshman was dead. His death was on 2015. The day was 26 January. It is a coincidence. 26 January 15, his death was there. First TV in the world, I am saying in the world, started on 26th of January 1926. First demonstration in Texas. And then the largest diamond of the world. It is about 3,000 carats. अभी तक कोई रिकॉर्ड तोड़ नहीं पाया उसका। लार्जेस्ट डायमंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड was discovered on 26th of January 1930. Not much old. And Eiffel Tower, the biggest creation of the civilization, Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower की नींव जो रखी गई थी वो 1887 में 26 जनवरी को रखी गई थी। ये है हमारे ग्रुप, वेरी ग्रुप, where the art, science and engineering structures have coincidence with the 26th January. So this is the fundamental strength of our Republic Day, friends. Last night you might have listened that lot of awards are given by the president. I think more than 140 or so awards are given, and those awards you can see how many awards were given. Somebody knows about this? Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, 139 or something. 139 or something. Yeah, 139 awards are given. Out of 139, 7 are Padma Vibhushan. And 19 are Padma Bhushan and 113 is the Padma Shri Award. And out of 7 Padma Bhushan, you see the variation. Earlier it was given popular 30s, but this time no. This time they have given the awards discipline wise. Out of those 3 awards, out of 7 Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, 3 are given to a discipline जिसको लोग को छोटा डिसिप्लिन मानते हैं। क्या हो सकता है वो डिसिप्लिन? 2024 के पद्म विभूषण 7 में से 3 एक डिसिप्लिन को मिले हैं जिसको लोग डिसिप्लिन मानते ही नहीं है। आर्ट्स, 3 पद्म विभूषण इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया आर गिवन टू द आर्ट्स, एक्सपर्ट ऑफ द आर्ट्स. It's not a joke. So you must give value to the art and science and the language which is coming in big way. And one is given for the education, and one is given for public relation, and one is given for the trade, business. Whole business is only one award, and art is having 3 Padma Vibhushan. What it speaks? It speaks future. It speaks our future line of direction. So be prepared for that. And among the Padma Bhushan, there is one award, very big award. It is given to Bihar also. Can anybody guess? Who is the lady? जो शारदा सिन्हा. She has been, अभी कितना दिन हुआ है उनको? But she has been taken up and given this Padma Award. So it's a you know right now IT and digital technology is such a way कि आपको अपने आप को साबित नहीं करना. If you have done a good work, within 1 month you are recognized and your award is secure. So you are in a CBR, you work hard, don't see who is saying, who is not seeing, you will be recognized. Digital media is there. Anybody can pick up that you are there. Is it? So it depends on you, how ethically, how sincerely you are working. And I can say, if you see the top persons in the world, Google is Indian, Sundar Pichai. Then you say Microsoft, again Indian. Then Adobe, again Indian. IBM, again Indian. Polo, again Indian. And then NAPTAC, again Indian. World Bank chairman, again Indian. Your Starbucks is the great कॉफी का ऐसा मेक है जो दुनिया में कोई कंट्री ऐसी नहीं है जो इससे ऊपर जाती हो. I have traveled France, Japan and many countries, and I have Starbucks के लोग दीवाने होते हैं. Starbucks की कॉफी मतलब 450 रुपए की कॉफी आती है, but people go to Starbucks. उसके शोरूम बड़े मेट्रोपोलिस मिलते हैं. Starbucks का जो चीफ है इंडियन, जो पूरे वर्ल्ड को ओवर कर रहा है. Then you see the Novartis होटल की सीरीज है, इंडियंस है. Vertex फार्मास्यूटिकल, पूरे दुनिया की मेडिसिन बनाने वाली सबसे बड़ी कंपनी पूरे वर्ल्ड की Vertex है. उसका चीफ इंडियन है, लेडी है रेशमा. किसको पता है? शायद नहीं पता होगा. Then YouTube, now YouTube is with Indian. He is Neil is the chief of the YouTube. किसी को नहीं पता हुआ है, पता हुआ तो अच्छी बात है. We are going Twitter was the property of the Indian. ट्विटर जिसने क्रिएट किया था, सबसे पहले किसने क्रिएट किया था ट्विटर? पराग अग्रवाल. पराग अग्रवाल वाज द CEO of the Twitter. He has created the concept of Twitter. और करके ट्विटर को यहाँ तक लाया जब यहाँ तक